start recording.
Okay. But I will just change this here. Okay, guys, we will talk about solving rate problems, lesson 8, but we will continue in our examples, guys, example 2. So let's go to example 2, page, I think page 68, yes, page 68, yeah. Yesterday we talked about solving rate problems. Today we'll do more about them. So let me choose Mr. Omar Koshak to read. Yalla. Focus with your friend, guys. Focus in your book now. We need to read the question to understand it very well so we can solve it very well. Yalla.
Example 2. A
Yalla ya
bulk,
Omar, read.
a bulk food store sells a 12-pound bag of red delicious apple for $18.
12 pounds for what? For 18
Dollars for apples.
dollars. So 12 pounds for $18, right? Continue.
At this rate, what is the price of the 12-pound bag of apples?
Of a 15 pound of apples, right?
Yes.
So the question here, what is the price of how many pounds? 15 pounds. Now focus, guys, here. Focus, please. Thank you, Omar. Focus, please, guys. Here I have this rate, 12 pounds for $18. The question wants us to know the price of 15 pounds. So I'll do these questions, guys, in two ways, and you can choose the way which you like, okay? So I will do it in two ways. I will say way 1 and way 2. Okay, guys? So I'll do this question in way 1 and way 2, but you can choose one of the two ways. You can choose the easier one from your point of view. Now, again, we have, if we can sell 12 pounds in $18, what's the price of 15 pounds here? Now, first step here in the way 1, guys, we can find the unit price, means the price of 1 pound. The price of 1 pound, we can find it by dividing up and down with the denominator, which is a 12 here, to make the 12 pounds to be 1 pound. Now, 18 divided by 12 is 1.5. 1.5 what? Dollar. So the price of 1 pound is $1.5. Can I know the price of 15 pounds? Yesterday we talked about that. Who can tell me how I will know the price of 15 pounds if I know the price of 1 pound is $1.5? What I will do? Who can tell, guys? Who can tell? Abdullah Al-Jarrah.
Yes, mister.
Yalla, what I will do, mister, to find the price of 15 pounds?
Will be multiply.
Multiply, excellent. 15 with 1.5.
1.5.
Excellent. So I'll multiply 15 with 1.5. This, if you multiply them, guys, it will be 22.5 what? Dollars. So now the price of the 15 pounds is a 22.5, $22.5. This is way 1, how we do way 1. Way 2, guys, we will use, if you remember, the cross product. So our rate here is $18 for the 12 pounds. I will put equal and I will make my other rate. The other rate, guys, I will make it from the question. This is given and this is the question. What is the price? Means the question wants us to know how many dollars. So here, my variable, y. The price of what? Of 15 pounds. I put the pounds down. So down will be 15. Now we know the step, guys. We make a cross product. We did that before. We multiply 18 by 15. 18 times 15 equals 12 times y, which means 12y. Now 18 by 15, we make normal multiplication. I will use my calculator here to save time. So 12, or sorry, 18 multiply 15 is 270. 270 equals a 12y. Now the next step, guys, we need to divide in both sides with the number which is besides the variable. So here I will divide by 12, and here I will divide by 12. We did these steps, guys, before. I use it now. Now we can cross the 12s together. So y will be, if you divide 270 on a 12, guys, the answer will be also 22 decimal 5. Okay, so here you have similar answers. 22 decimal $5, and here 22 decimal $5. You can use this way and you can use this way. Now in the book, guys, they wrote similar thing here, the second way if you see, but here I make it easier for you. If you want to copy these ideas here, you can copy them besides the question if you want. And if you don't, let's move to the check question under example 2F. You don't have any questions about this one. If you have any question, put your hand. If you don't, remove your hand, please. Tamam. I have two students here, Zafar and Ibrahim. Yes, Zafar.
مستر
Ibrahim, yes.
أسوي له الهندسة.
Ibrahim.
مستر يعني عادي لو اخترنا أي طريقة بالامتحان؟
Yep, Mr. Speak in English. Yes, you can choose this one or this one. Both gives the same answer. See?
Okay, thank you.
Yeah, it's okay. طيب, Zafar. طيب, yeah. Let's move to the check question now. To the check question, guys. Under this example, we have check question. Let's do it together. Yeah. Who can read, guys? Yeah, read. You read.
The manager of the small bakery did remains that average of 264 loaves of cinnamon raisin bread and sold every 12 weeks. At this rate, about this rate, about how many loaves of cinnamon grains bread are sold every 5 weeks.
Look at the board, guys. While your friends is reading here or was reading, I try to prepare my rate and my question. The rate is 264 loaves are sold in 12 weeks. The question is how many loaves are sold in how many weeks? In 5 weeks, right? Mazboot, who is reading?
Me.
Yeah, it's 5 weeks. Am I right? Good.
Yes.
Now here, guys, you know the idea. Here, I prepared my rate from the question, 264 loaves in 12 weeks. And I want to know how many loaves are sold in 5 weeks. So here, I can do in both ways also. So let's do it with the way one here. We turn it to unit rate. اللي هو 264 over 12, both divided by 12. This is equal, down will be 1 week. I wanna know how many loaves are sold in 1 week, unit price or unit rate. Now let's divide 264 divided by 12. I will use my calculator here. 264 divided by 12 is 22. 22 what? Loaves. So here what I know now, in 1 week, this bakery can sell how many loaves? 22 loaves. Now in 5 weeks, if 1 week can sell 22 loaves, in 5 weeks, we'll do the same step, multiply 5 by 22, which is 100 what? 110 loaves. يا ابني بس مخابطة يا ابني بس يا حبيبي بس طيب هاي ميوت عشان تضل تزعج So in 1 week, guys, we have 22 loaves. But in 5 weeks we multiply by 22. So this is way one. Now way two, Huh? Way 2, we will use what? Proportions. So I'll get the rate from the question, 264 loaves over to 12 weeks equal how many loaves? The upper part is the loaf, so I'll put y. In how many weeks? In 5 weeks. The weeks are down, so I put 5 down. Now cross product, multiply and divide. 264 multiply 5 equals 12 times y, 12y. Now 264 multiply 5, I will multiply it here. 264 multiply 5 is 1,320. 1,320. Okay, now I'll divide both sides with the 12. Y will be 110 loaves. So this is the tricky question. It's not written in your book. Try to copy it, guys, here. I'll give you a few minutes to copy. You can use way 1 or way 2. No need, guys, to copy the 2 ways. You choose any way you like. Sorry. Yes, Najam.
Yes, Mister.
Yes, Habibi.
I
You're
was going
raising
to
your hand.
answer.
Okay, do you understand the board?
Yes.
Good boy. Wait for me. Stay unmuted so you will read for me question 1 in the homework, okay?
Okay.
Stay tuned. يلا. نضال.
Yes,
نضال.
miss.
Yes, mister.
I don't raise my hand, believe me.
وشو هيدي الزرقاء اللي أنا شايفها قدامي؟ معاكس من الشمس مثلا؟
No,
نضال.
but I
ركز.
don't. Okay.
ركز يا نضال. ظافر. ظافر دائما رافع ايده. عبد الاله.
Mr.
Yes يا عبد الاله.
Now you write it in the board way 1 and way 2. We write it on the
No, you choose, yeah, mister. No, you choose one way. No need to write 2 ways. 2 ways gives the same answer. No need. One way. If you understand this,
Okay, Mr.
خلاص.
Now we write one way
خلاص.
on the check.
يا مستر انتوا مش اولاد صغار. I said it 4 times until now. You choose one way. Is it clear?
Okay, Mr. We write one of these
لا
in
اله
the
الا
check
الله.
or in the copybook.
It's your choice يا مستر. ان شاء الله بتكتب على ظهري. تعال على قميصي. اكتب وين ما بدك. بس اهم شيء تفهم. فهمت؟ You
Yes,
use copybook, use your book, use copybook, use extra paper, whatever. But it's good to make a mathematics book, copybook. يعني make a copybook only for math. This is the natural, right?
Yes.
Good boy. يلا next. Okay. Ibrahim, yes Ibrahim.
Mister, can I answer question 2 in the homework?
طيب يلا إبراهيم. Stay unmuted. Najam.
Yes, Mister.
Okay guys, all of you go to question 1 in the homework. All of you please. Just give me 1 minute please guys. لا انا بعمل له داونلود بس ثواني. من هون. Sorry guys, just a minute please.
Okay.
Okay.
لا إله إلا الله. طيب طيب يلا يا نجم read question 1.
Okay, Mr. Start.
يلا read حبيبي.
Mr.
Guys, all of you with your friend here. يلا. Question 1.
Mr. Anderson is ordering pizza for a class pizza party.
يا ريت لو في بيتزا هلا. Continue.
The, the pizza place has a special where he can buy free larger pizza for $80.75.
Wait. In the pizza place, guys, هذا أندرسون بده يجيب كم بيتزا؟ 12 I think. In the pizza place, how many pizza يا نجم؟
Free large
Three
pizza.
pizza. In how many dollars?
18.75
dollars. This is for what, guys? For a store for pizza shop, a restaurant. Its name is Pizza Place. Continue.
At Mario Pizza, he can buy 4 larger pizza for $22.
Good. In Mario's, guys, I will prepare a rate for Pizza Place. I prepared it already. Now I will prepare the Mario's pizza rate. So here 4 pizza. In how many dollars? Yeah.
In $22.
Hello. Continue.
If he need to buy 12 pizza, how much will he save for the many pizza?
Anderson, guys, Mr. Anderson needs to buy how many pizzas? 12
pizza.
So how much he will save? This is the question.
Yes, Mr.
How
White,
much?
how much will be saved if he buys the pizza from Mario Pizza instead of the pizza place?
Come. Now, here, guys, I prepared my question here. This is the given informations, and this is the wanted. We have given, and we have wanted, okay? Now, let's start with the given. Let's start with the wanted. I need to know the price of 12 pizzas. But here, I know price of 3. Here, I know price of 4. I need to know the price of the 12 pizzas in both shops, guys, in Pizza Place and in Mario's Pizza. Now, to know the price of 12 pizza, I need to know the price of 1 pizza in each of them, right? Now, I will ask Najm how I will know the price of the 12 pizza in Pizza Place.
Mr. Anderson, we will write it 18.75 over 3. We'll make divide by 3, up and down.
Hello. I will make unity price, right?
Yes.
So
yes.
18.75 over 3, both divided by what, guys?
3.
As Najm said, both divided by 3. Now, if you divide down by 3, down will be 1 pizza. If you divide up by 3, it will be 6.25. Good. 6.25 what?
Dollar.
So the price of 1 pizza in Pizza Place is $6.25. So how much the price of 12 pizzas now?
We will make 6.25 multiply 12.
Multiply 6.25. This will be
75. Without
are you sure?
zero.
Exactly.
Yes,
75-ish.
$75.
So the price of the 12 pizzas in the first Pizza Place shop here is how much? $75. I will do the same steps for the second restaurant. It's Mario's Pizza. So here I will write Mario's Pizza, the Mario's Pizza, okay? And I will do the same steps. Here 22 over 4, both divided by 4. This will be down 1 pizza. And up will be $5.5. Now, to know the price of the 12 pizzas in the Mario's, I'll multiply with 5.5. So 12 multiply 5.5 is 65.
No, Mr. 66.
يا زلمة متأكد.
Mr. Make it, you will get 66.
12 multiply 5.5 is $66. Now $66, guys, is the price of the 12 pizzas in the Mario's shop. But here, $75 is the price of the 12 pizzas in the Pizza Place. Now, Mr. Anderson, for sure, he will choose Mario's because he has lower price, right? How much he will save, guys? What we will do?
We will make 75 minus
Let's
66.
make subtraction. Excellent, Energy. We will make subtraction to find how much Anderson will save. So 75 divided, sorry, not divided, subtracted by 66. This will be 9 what?
$9.
$9. So Mr. Anderson, if he buy his 12 pizzas from Mario's store, he will save how many dollars? $9. Okay, this is question one. طبعا these steps are already sent in your Classera, and you can find it on my WhatsApp, you can find it on my Snapchat, and plus you can find it. So just you can find the steps, especially in your Classera. I send them always, and I told you to check, right? Now let's do question two. Question two. I don't
Yes,
want to move to
mister.
question two. Ballawet, yeah, mister. I don't want to move to question two unless, or if you have any questions, guys, about question one. If you have questions about question one, keep your hand or put your hand. Come on. Ibrahim, yalla.
Okay.
Question two.
Skeeler and Rodrigo each
Hello.
recorded how far they traveled while scatterboarding.
Hello.
Skylar traveled 65 feet in 5 seconds, and
Tamam.
Rodrigo traveled 108 feet in 8 seconds. How
Hello.
much farther did Rodrigo travel per second than Skylar?
Tamam. Now, while your friend is reading or was reading here, I prepared my question. I prepared the given rates and the question. The Skylar can travel at 65 feet in 5 seconds. Rodrigo can travel 108 feet in 8 seconds. So how much farther means how much the difference of the spaces or the distances between them. Now what I'll do, guys, I'll find each one in 1 second how much he can travel. So I'll start with Skylar here. What we will do, Ibrahim?
65 over 5.
أيوة.
Then we will do divided by 5.
أيوة. Down will
Equals
be 1 second. Up will be what?
100. No. 13 feet.
13 feet. طيب هذا سكايلر. So Skylar in 1 second he travel how much?
13 feet.
حلو. Let's see Rodrigo now. Rodrigo. خامس Rodrigo. طيب. Let's see Rodrigo. Now 108 feet in 8 seconds. هاي 108
over 8.
حلو. We will
We'll
divide
do
both sides with
divided 8.
down will be 1 second. And up, if you do division, guys, it will be 13.5 what?
Feet.
So look here. Skylar, in 1 second, he can travel 13 feet. But Rodrigo, in 1 second, he can travel 13.5 feet. Who travel farther, guys? The bigger one, which is Rodrigo. Who is Rodrigo, right? But how much, by how much, we will subtract. What's the difference between 13 and 13.5? 13 minus 13.5, sorry, minus 13 is 0.5 what?
Yes, feet.
So what I will say, guys, Rodrigo can travel more than Skylar 0.5 feet
0.5
in or per
second. Per
1 second. Per a second. أو per second. خلاص. This is question 2, guys. This is question 2. Copy it or fix it or do what you want. This is question 2 here.
Mister?
Yes.
In question 2, I put 13.5 minus 13 feet equal 0.5 feet in 1 second.
What? Again, you put what?
0.5 feet in 1 second.
بصير per second or in 1 second, it's the same. It's okay. Per second or
1 second.
1 second, so it's the same. Copy, guys. Copy
I do it.
or check or do what you want. This is lesson 2, guys. Lesson 2. So I2. Lesson 8.
Question 2.
Okay, guys. Question 2 in lesson 8. Now, yesterday we did the question 1 and the question 2. Today we'll do the rest of the page, guys. In your homework, you will have 3, 5, 6, I think, and 7. I don't remember. Let me check. In
No,
page
Mr. 3, 4,
71.
5, 6. 3, 4,
يلا
5, 6.
تمام. هلا in page 71, guys, you will do the other questions. Page
3, 4,
71.
5, 6.
You'll do questions 3,
3,
4,
4,
5,
5,
and 6.
6.
Do them today, send them on Classera, and wait my corrections for you. Thank you so much. Any questions? I will log out now. Any questions, guys?
No, mister, thank you.
Thank you so much and see you tomorrow. Don't forget that at the end of this week, guys, اللي هو the lecture or the period of tomorrow and the day after tomorrow, guys, we have revision for chapter 1.
Wednesday.
So from today, from tonight and tomorrow, before the class, try to revise your lessons, guys, and try to select questions that you did not understand them yet. So we will revise them together. So we have 2 classes, all of them in doing exercises of this chapter.
Mr.
That's all. So try to revise from today. Yes.
يعني Mr. Wednesday we have quiz.
لا أنا حكيت Wednesday you have a quiz.
طب Thursday.
أنا حكيت Wednesday أو Thursday you have a quiz.
طب مستر كان بالويكلي بلان مكتوب انه
كان هلا في هلا كان مكتوب الآن في
لا
خف شفت عاد بتبخروا هذول
يا
بيروح.
مستر درسته
طيب كويس زعلان يعني لأنك درست؟
لا طبعا بس تعبت.
طيب our exam will be on Sunday, guys. Our exam will be in Sunday. Okay, so you can study very well in the weekend. Okay, thank you so much and see you inshallah tomorrow. Goodbye.
Mr. The exam in Sunday?
Yep.